I'm John O'Malley. I did the Masters in Healthcare Ethics and Law, and at present I work as the Organisational Medical Director for Mastercall Healthcare, which is an NHS social enterprise working mainly in Stockport and Trafford.
My name is Raynor Griffiths. I did a law degree and the medical law masters, which was healthcare ethics and law, and I now work at the General Medical Council as an investigation officer. I think my masters has been really helpful in my day-to-day job. Quite often I'll be thinking about things like confidentiality when I'm investigating a doctor, or there are principles that I've learned at my undergraduate and postgraduate degree that are very relevant to what I'm actually learning and working on a day-to-day basis.
When I first thought about doing a degree in healthcare and ethics and law, I thought a long time, and I realised at the end of the course how much it had given me clarity of thought. It gave me more information on how to give advice to my fellow clinicians and also broadened my activities. I will not always be an organisational medical director. One day I may go into other fields, but at least it gives me that other, let's say, that string to my bow. The different modules on the course were of immense benefit, but especially the legal side of things made me think about how the law in medicine comes into practical use.
The staff at the University of Manchester were always really helpful, and they really are who I should be thanking for kickstarting my career. I really undersold myself when I was doing my CV, and it didn't really show what qualities and skills I had, whereas I went to my careers advisor and she said, look, you're potentially an excellent employee, but no one's going to be able to see that from your CV. So after using that service, I actually got a lot more invites for interviews and actually got a job very shortly afterwards.
It's actually brought into focus some of the uncertainties that I've noticed in my work over the past 30 years in medicine. And I think that I make more cogent and more authoritative decisions based on the evidence that's out there.
Studying at Manchester does give you a competitive edge because it's a very well-established university, it's got very good reputation. So I think when employers were looking at my applications and CVs, they were actually interested to see that I had gone on to an established university, and I think having a master's as well set me aside from other candidates who perhaps didn't have as many qualifications.